get this place cleaned up. Wow, it's really a mess in here. Let's start with the webs and trash. Opening the windows.
Keep it steady. Watch the edges of the marble.
Up and over. Don't scratch the legs.
That's it, perfect.
All right, team, let's hit it hard. You got the vacuum ready? Pressure washer on? Grind that rough patch.
Working on the waves over there. The textures are looking good. Let's bring in the heat guns for the final foam detail.
Look at this. It's stunning. We did it. Incredible transformation. Wow, incredible, absolutely stunning. Shredded it. Nailed it.
The epoxy is poured. The transformation begins.
Let's start arranging these logs. Looks good. Now for the black resin. Smooth it out carefully. Perfect. Just need to let it set.